Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your destination for honest, in-depth tech and home appliance reviews that help you buy smarter every day. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful and versatile kitchen systems on the market, the Ninja BN801 Professional Plus Kitchen System. Whether you're blending smoothies, kneading dough, or chopping ingredients for dinner, this all-in-one machine is built to handle it all effortlessly. Right off the bat, the 1,400-watt peak motor power is the first thing that stands out. It's strong enough to crush ice, puree frozen fruit, and mix thick dough with absolute ease. This power gives you commercial-grade performance right in your kitchen. Now, the Ninja BN801 isn't just a blender, it's a complete kitchen system. It comes with a 72-ounce total crushing pitcher for large batches, a 64-ounce precision processor bowl for chopping, mixing, and kneading, and two 24-ounce single-serve cups with spout lids for those grab-and-go mornings. Whether you're making smoothies, salsas, cookie dough, or bread batter, it adapts instantly to your task. The real genius here is Ninja's AutoIQ technology. Each preset program, like smoothie, ice crush, chop, dough, and puree, uses automatic pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns that take the guesswork out of blending. Just press one button, and it delivers perfect results every time. Everything is BPA-free, dishwasher-safe, and built from high-quality materials designed for long-term use. The stacked stainless steel blades are razor-sharp and engineered to deliver uniform blending every single time. Despite its power, it's incredibly easy to use and surprisingly quiet for its wattage. Plus, the modern gray finish complements any kitchen aesthetic, from minimalist to industrial. If you're serious about cooking, meal prepping, or simply want one appliance that can replace several others, the Ninja BN801 Professional Plus Kitchen System is a must-have. It's perfect for families, fitness lovers, and anyone who values convenience without compromise. Check it out using the Amazon link below, and if you love gear that makes life smarter and smoother, don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more tech and home innovation reviews every single day.